So in this video, we are going to learn how to add TagMango leads to HubSpot CRM as contact. Let's say you are a content creator or an influencer and you're using TagMango as a platform for your online workshops, your online courses, or anything like that. Now you have created a landing page using TagMango using which you are getting some new leads. And you want to add those leads in your HubSpot CRM so that you can nurture those leads from there. So let me tell you, you can completely automate the process. In this automation, as a new lead will be received on our TagMango landing page, on our TagMango page, automatically with the same details, we are going to add that lead as a contact in our HubSpot CRM. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my TagMango account. And using TagMango, I have created a Mango page, a landing page over here. And this is a landing page for my generative AI masterclass, just a dummy page over here. In this page, I have also added a form using which I'm getting some new leads. Now I want that whenever a new lead is received, a new lead is generated in my TagMango account, I want to add this exact same lead as a contact in my HubSpot CRM. Now to do this, we have to connect TagMango with HubSpot. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after coming to this Pabbly Connect dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as TagMango to HubSpot. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as you click on Create, here you can see the automation workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, you can see we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our TagMango account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new lead is generated using our TagMango page, automatically the details of that new lead will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same lead to HubSpot and add that lead as a contact in our HubSpot CRM. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose app, let's search for TagMango and select it. After selecting TagMango, in trigger event from the dropdown, select the trigger event as lead capture. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our TagMango account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we just have to enter the API key of our TagMango account. Now you must be thinking how we can get this API key. So to get it, just go to your TagMango account and from the left sidebar under automation, select platform integrations. And here you can see the Pabbly API key of your TagMango account. Just copy the API key from here and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on save. And as we click on save, here you can see our TagMango account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the page. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the Mango pages, all the landing pages which I have created using TagMango. Out of all of this, the landing page is Introduction to Generative AI. For this particular page, I want to capture the new leads which I'm getting from this particular page inside Pabbly Connect and add them in HubSpot CRM. So we have to select that particular landing page, particular capture page or Mango page over here. After selecting the page from which you want to capture the new leads, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And when we click on Save and Send Test Request, you can see it has now changed to Waiting for a Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some response of a new lead from this page of our TagMango. So let's check it. What we are going to do, we'll just go to a TagMango account and we'll just open the page. This is the page which we have created. So using this page and the form, we have to generate a lead. So I'm just going to enter the details of a new lead over here. Let's say the name of the person is demo user. This is the email address of this new lead which we are generating, this test lead. And this is a dummy mobile number which we are entering. The company is, for example, Google. And the city is, for example, Bhopal. Just some random details of a new lead. Now let's click on register now. And as we click on register now, here you can see the submission is done. Just now in our TagMango account, we have received a new lead. We'll go to the lead section and here you can see the new lead is generated. And now we'll go to our Pabbly Connect workflow, and in our Pabbly Connect workflow, in this trigger step responses, you can see the details of the same lead. Here you can see we have the exact same phone number which we have entered while making the form submission on our Mango page. You can see the same name, same email address, same company and same city as well. This means the details of a new lead is successfully received, is successfully captured inside our Pabbly Connect workflow from TagMango. And the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we are going to send the details of the same lead to HubSpot, and we are going to add this lead as a contact in our HubSpot CRM. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, we'll search for HubSpot CRM and select it. After selecting HubSpot CRM, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as create a contact. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our HubSpot CRM account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with HubSpot CRM button. Then in this pop-up window, because we have logged into our HubSpot account in our browser, it will automatically detect the same account. We'll just scroll down, we'll just select the profile, select the HubSpot profile, HubSpot account, and click on choose account button. And as we click on choose account here, you can see our HubSpot account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the details of a new contact which we want to create in HubSpot. So it is asking us street address, annual revenue, city, close date, and there are a lot of details of a new contact. But we haven't received all of these details asked by HubSpot from TagMango. So what we are going to do, all the necessary details which we have received of a new lead from TagMango, we are going to add these details to HubSpot CRM step. And to add the data from this trigger step, like to add or send the responses of this trigger step to our HubSpot CRM action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. Like we don't have received the street address and annual revenue, that's why we can just ignore this field. But we have received the response for the city of the new lead. So we'll just click on this field of city, and to map the data here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from TagMango of a new lead. And out of all of these responses, select the response of city and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever detail we are going to receive of a new lead from TagMango, with the same details, we are going to basically create the contact in HubSpot. Then after city, we haven't received the close date, so we are just going to ignore this field, but we have received the company name. We'll just click on this field, and from the drop down, let's select and map the response of company name over here. Then it is asking us for the company size, country, date of birth, degree. So we haven't received all of these details, and these fields are not mandatory, are not marked as required. So that's why we can just ignore these fields. But we have received the email address, so we'll just click on this field, and from the drop down, let's map the email address of a new lead. Then after that, here you can see we have the field of first name. Now the response of name of a new lead which we have received from TagMango is of full name. But HubSpot is asking us for the separate response of first name and last name. So what we have to do, we have to break this full name into two different responses of first name and last name. And to do this, we are going to use a feature, a module of Pabbly Connect called Text Formatter. Now to use Text Formatter, just click on this Add Action Step button before HubSpot CRM action. And then here in Choose App, search for Text Formatter. Just select it. After selecting Text Formatter, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Split Text. Then just click on Connect. And after clicking on Connect, the first thing it asks us is Text to Split. And here in the response of Text to Split in this field, just click here. And from the drop-down from TagMango responses, select the response of name and map it. Now it is asking us for the separator. So we want to split this full name into two parts of before and after the space. So the space between the first name and the last name is going to be our separator. And to add space as a separator, we have to write space in double curly braces like this. Then because we want the first name and the last name, both the names in the response, so in segment index, we are going to select last and click on save and send test request. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you can see that we have successfully received the first name and last name in two different responses. We have breaked or splitted the full name into two parts. And now we can map these details into our HubSpot CRM action step. So we'll just come to the first name field, click here. And now in this drop down, you can see the responses of Tag Mango as well as the responses of text formatter action. And from the text formatter action step responses, select the response of first name and map it. Then we don't have the follower count, gender, graduation date, all of these details. So we are just going to ignore these fields for now. Now we'll just scroll down and map the last name over here because that is the last information, last detail which is remaining over here. So I'll just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can see all the fields, all the contact properties, and then here you can see the name of or the response of last name. So we'll just click on this field of last name over here, and from the text formatter responses, select it and map it. Now, after all of this, the only field which we haven't entered over here is the phone number or the contact number. So what I'm going to do, I'll just search for the response of phone number, the field of phone number over here. And we have this field over here, mobile phone number. Just click on this field, and from the drop down from Tag Mango responses, select and map the response of mobile number over here. In this way, all the details are mapped. All the details of a new lead which we have captured from Tag Mango are mapped over here in this HubSpot CRM action step. And after mapping all of these details, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details of a new lead which we have mapped over here, basically the new lead which we have captured from our Tag Mango landing page, the same lead is now added as a contact in our HubSpot CRM as well. So let's check it. We'll just go to HubSpot CRM and we'll just go to the contact section over here. And yes, here you can see that demo user, the same lead with the same details, is now added as a contact in HubSpot CRM. Here you can see we have the exact same name, we have the same email address which we have entered on our Tag Mango landing page. And here you can see some other details related to the same lead over here as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created between Tag Mango and HubSpot, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new lead will be captured on our Tag Mango page with the same details, we are going to add that same lead on our HubSpot CRM as a new contact over here automatically. Now, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. I'll just refresh this page, or what we can do, we'll just reopen the lead page over here. Let's go to Page Builder, Mango Pages, and open this link. And this time we are going to enter the details of a new user. Let's say the name of the lead is dummy user. This is the email address. And this is the mobile number. The company is, for example, Microsoft. And this is the city. For example, city is Delhi. Then after entering the details of another dummy lead, let's click on register and a new lead is captured. So just now in our Tag Mango account, you can see we have received a new lead. And as we receive this new lead, we will see instantly within seconds with the same details, this lead will be added in our HubSpot CRM as a contact. So we'll just go to the HubSpot CRM, refresh this contacts page once, and yes, here you can see dummy user. The same person, the same lead with the same email and same details is now added as a contact in our HubSpot CRM. So this means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you'll find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.